Kia ora, welcome to Edge Learning. In this video we're going to have a look at Assay. As a teacher, under result sheets, there's a choice to go to Assay. As an administrator, you can go to Assay Analysis. Here you can go to the wizard and we'll start with attendance and the table view. This splits up the attendance and you can click on any of the points and it will show you who the students are. It splits it up by room, by ethnicity, by gender, and by year level. You can remove any of these if you want to through the show options area. Back to wizard, and I'm going to go into reading term 2. That shows the data as a strip graph. Again, with the show options, I can choose other sorts of graphs. I'm going to start with the multi-split table, which is very similar to what you saw before. This splits it up by room, ethnicity, gender, and year level. And again, you can click on any of these and see who the students are. Other sorts of graphs you can do are pie charts, column charts, student grid, and you can do various tables. You can add other filters by ethnicity, by year level, or by class. Another useful one is to go to the wizard. We'll choose writing this time, and we'll choose term on term. Now a quick look at some other graphs that you can get. We can get to progressions and we can see how many students have achieved the next step, the current step, or completed. Under the wizard we also have other tests. Next thing to have a look at is a custom table. In here it pulls up automatically certain basic information which you can change, and then you can choose to show expectations, acceleration, or any of the other data that you want. Let's go to acceleration. We're on reading. We're going to have a look at 2024 and compare to term 2 2025, and we'll build that table. So this shows the movement between 2 points. It will also show attendance and any pastoral information as well. One I was shown recently is we can go to the growth dashboard, and this shows movement over time for students, year 7s, and then instead of displaying a graph, let's show a percentile change table, and that shows how much their percentile has changed between year 6 and year 7 for PAT and for ASTL. I hope some of these things are useful. Thanks for your time. Ka kite.